Oftentimes in disaster situations, there is a lot of focus, energy, and time spent on the rebuilding of the physical infrastructure. On the other hand, what ends up happening is we often tend to neglect the impact that the disaster has on the individual. However, we do know from the research that the impact of a disaster can have very, very long-term effects on individuals. And so our study specifically focuses on children, youth, their community influencers, and resiliency post-flood.
So when we're thinking about the human experience and what that means, we're looking at it in social terms. We're also interested in health and well-being and mental health, and also taking into account factors like economics, culture, identity, geography, and how those come together in different ways.
We know that disasters are not going to decrease. We actually know that they are going to continue to increase. And knowing what resiliency strategies children, youth, and their community influencers may have to overcome disaster situations, we will be able to then better prepare individuals the next time a disaster occurs. And it's not just environmental disasters, it can also be things like flu pandemics or conflict, any type of conflict. So this is not, this study specifically focuses on the 2013 Southern Alberta flood and the challenges and difficulties that has presented for individuals. But the results will be able to inform how children, youth, and their families can be more resilient moving forward whenever they're faced with any type of difficult circumstance or challenge.